So we've looked at ledger lines going to the top. In case you've not seen the other videos I made on how to read music on the treble clef, check that in the description because this is going to be a continuation of those videos. So ledger lines below is still the same. So all you simply need to do is, since we know it starts from E here, so all you need to do is look at the alphabet at the back of E. So in this case we have D. All right, so D will be, take note, we're coming from the line, so we're going below, it has to be the space. All right, so after D, look at what is at the back. So we have C, so here is going to be C, which is this line. Then at the back of C, we have B, so we're coming from the line, so it has to be the space, which is B. So from B, at the back of B, we have A, so it has to be this line, will be A. Then we have this space, so at the back of A should be G. So take note, we're coming from this line, so this will be G. And at the back of G we have F, so we're coming from this space, so if we're trying to locate a note here, so that will be F. So it's that simple, right? I also have a trick that you can use to locate ledger lines or read ledger lines faster. So if you want to see that on the next video, type that in the comments. All right, if you want to see more videos like this and learn more, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell icon and choose all. All right, and make sure you share this video. You have anything you probably want to learn or you don't understand in this video, type that in the comments, or videos that you'd like to see, type that in the comment. That way, that makes me realize that you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be able to create more free videos like this. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, check in the description to get my contact details on how you can contact me and start up. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye for now.